Well, here's a new arrival at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, and this is a stunning vehicle. This is a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 3LT Convertible. And this is absolutely beautiful. The combination of the convertible top and the colors and the interior just makes this an outstanding vehicle. Machined silver on the exterior, ebony and gray interior, and it has that really good looking convertible top in gray. Under the hood, 410 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the $5,540 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this includes power top, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, auto-dimming mirrors, universal garage door transmitter, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, has a wonderful Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with navigation and steering wheel controls as well. This car has the Z51 Performance Handling Package. Has OnStar, chrome wheels, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, keyless entry and start, fog lamps, power windows. Well, of course, everything on the car is power. It's cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. Comes loaded with factory options and, best of all, a clean Carfax. And this vehicle shows just 28,510 miles. Great mileage, beautiful car, and it is priced right. Hey, check out the pricing and more beautiful pictures right below this video. There's a link for that. It'll take you to all that information. The car's paint and body are in good condition. It has a great shine. It has that clear protective film that has been added to the front bumper, headlights, half of the hood and fenders, lower fenders, rocker panels, lower doors, and quarter panels as well. It's been protected. Factory chrome wheels are very good to excellent condition, and the interior of this 2007 Corvette Z51 Convertible shows good condition factory leather seats and steering wheel, very good center console and door panels, and other additions to this car include a Corsa axle back performance exhaust and a Hurricane cold air intake. This car features a corrosion-free subframe. Remember, all of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavette.net, and remember, we ship nationwide, less expensive than you can ever imagine, and we are an online business, so we've made buying a car online something you can do with ease and with confidence. So give us a call at buyavette.net at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.